Michael, we got company. What the hell's going on?
Hold on!
Who is it? Who is it?
It's Bellick!
Hold on.
Hold on. Can this thing go any faster? What do you think? Nobody move! Nobody move! Oh, good to see you again, boy.
No need for anyone to get hurt, boss.
Boss? Oh, there's no need for formalities anymore there, Sing. I'm no longer an employee of the state thanks to you.
I think somebody wants that reward.
Oh, it's not about reward money, friend. Your pal Manche told me all about your little treasure hunt for Westmoreland's stash. Get in the car. We're going to Utah.